So I just washed the car and now basically I've challenged myself to kind of do a one-day video, which means that I'd be filming today all day and see if I can upload it tomorrow with edits and everything, and hopefully you'll see in the text somewhere around here whether I've succeeded in that challenge or failed. But anyway, it should make for kind of a fun weekend drive video. Hopefully we'll get some cool footage. Look what just joined in the fray. Gonna be fun. So we're going to a place called Targa. I haven't been there with my car actually, but as far as I know the roads are okay-ish, and apparently there's a nice restaurant where we can have lunch. So overall I think it should be a nice weekend drive on a Saturday, and as I said with the challenge, hopefully I'll get to upload the video tomorrow, which is Sunday. Hopefully you're seeing this on Sunday evening or Monday morning, but hopefully I uploaded it on Sunday evening. With me is a 991.1 generation 911 Porsche GTS Targa, which basically means it's naturally aspirated, so one of the a bit older versions. The newer ones have turbos. It's a really interesting spec because it's got this carmine red color, which not a lot of people spec, but I think is really unique. Unfortunately, the owner didn't really wash it, so even if I cut to some footage, you probably won't see the full glory of the color. It's this really dark, deep red, which really stands out, and it's also one of the rarer colors that people put on their Porsches, because Porsches, let's face it, Porsches usually gray, black, white, you know, the boring stuff. So yeah, it's actually funny because of this red color, people that don't really know what it is are like, what kind of Ferrari is that? And I just sit there laughing because obviously it's not a Ferrari. That color definitely gives it the stereotypical sports car look. Being the Targa, it's got the classic rollover hoop, and it's kind of a semi-convertible, so it's not really a full convertible. It opens kind of halfway, but I think it looks great. It's like really elegant design, and because of its kind of halfway open design, it means that you can use it more in the autumn and early spring, so you're not getting that much wind in your head. And hopefully we'll get some nice footage of that as well, so you'll see it. give you a bit of info on what I'm driving. This is a BMW 1M Coupe, and I've had it since 2014, I believe. So about 5 years now. It's basically the car that taught me how to drive properly, like a proper sports car. It's a fun little car. It's hard to drive because it's thick and it's really a short wheelbase, so if you make a mistake, it will punish you a lot. That means it's just rewarding. So I haven't driven it a lot lately, which I regret because I just didn't have the time. But now that the summer is more or less in full swing, I'm hoping I could drive it more. So my GoPro battery died and I couldn't film a proper ending to this video, but I'm sitting here at home now after a day of editing it, and I'm really happy to say that I actually managed to put this together in one day. So I've completed my challenge, and I hope you enjoyed it.